So hi, my name is Kabarda Josephine B, and this is my uh assignment number. What assignment number is this? Wait. Number 6. Yeah, number 6. The name is Enrollment Inquiry System with Database. So let's go. Eclipse. So this is the code. I'm just gonna send it all in the Word PDF, and so let's run it. Why it's not running? What? Wait. Ayan, it's just loading. So let's type my name, Josephine. No, what's happening? Kabarda. Email. For the year 2004. 2005. 03 14 1. Contact number. Address. Talking. And yes, ID. So let's add. So if I click add, it will show down here. Say add. See? So let's I no. So if I want to add a new one, ayan. Let's delete this kasi na double. So let's say ASD F GHTKL. Let's say mail 2007 09 13. Phone number 2. Contact number. Address Planas. Course this is W, and add. So let's add a random names. So let's say TXC P BNM. Say other 2001 12 25 3. And let's see, let's just like that. Let's say Porak and add. So as you can see, we can add, and if you want to update or their names or need to be updated or their address or number, just click it and update. No! Oh, na-update siya kasi yung mga nakalagay dito, yun yung nakalagay. So, ganun din yung nalagay. So, you need to like, ibahin itong mga 2. Pwede, this na lang sa ESD. So, if like gusto natin, ayan, just double click para may iba. Let's say, RTY. Ganun lang naman. So, if gusto natin mag-delete, yan, click it. So, the whole line will go blue. And then, we'll just click delete. Nadi-delete na siya. And if we want to clear all of this, just click clear. Ay, no. Ito. Ito pa rin mag-clear. Pag ito pala. Clear. So, yan. Since na-delete natin, let's go see it in Access. So, yan. Wala nakalagay. Pero if like, maglalagay tayo dito, yung malalagay doon? ASD. Yes. 1,000. 5, 12, 25. And let's copy. Add. Let's see here. Wait. Let's update this. So, ayan. Nakita natin siya dito, which is tama naman lahat. Ayan, the same lang siya dito. So, like, dapat same sila, and tama naman. So, that's all. Thank you.